Na. This is jungle. This is the jungle in the Philippines. Gabe, this is the jungle in the Philippines where I take a hike.
Narinig ni Dad. Look! Narinig ka.
Mandilo ka. Sibul yan, ne?
Ha?
Sibul. Ayan, Kedinalan. All the way back there. Now we're going towards all the way, follow the river. Kita. Nature. You can drink this also. It's coming towards right there on the top. Ketambabo going down right here.